guys? So I wanted to bring you guys along with the process of cleaning this disgusting mess. And you guys are probably like, what are you talking about? Your room looks fine. You guys really, I'll show you in a second, but my room is disgusting and you guys have been asking so much for a room tour. I have done one of these before on my channel recently, like my updated room tour I haven't done just because I've just really been procrastinating on actually cleaning my room. And from what you guys see, my room is clean, and yes, I'm a very clean, organized person. From what you're about to see, it's pretty gross. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you guys like these and want more of these. Make sure to subscribe down below and follow me on all my social medias. You clicked on this video, so let's get started. First of all, let's go out into the hallway. Whenever I want to avoid something and I don't feel like putting it away, I just leave it right here. Like I have a pile. This is really good for me, but I just usually leave all my trash and everything that I don't feel like putting away or have a place for outside my door. All of these drawers are so just like messy, need to be cleaned. This is pretty organized. No, not really. I just need to go through all this stuff. This is gonna be so gross, but this is what we're looking at. Disgusting, like dust everywhere. I need to go through all my makeup. This is all the makeup that I just never wear and stuff. And so I'm thinking about like, I don't know, donating it or something. I don't know. What do I do with makeup that I don't wear? Over here is just a pile of like stuff, like fur and white stuff. A pile of clothes. Like what? This stuff has been sitting here since before spring break. These are all like winter clothes that I never even wear. This stuff is so disgusting and dirty. I need to clean all that. Like I'm such a pig. And then here is the dresser. This is what I'm working with. Like I throw all my stuff in here. None of this stuff is organized at all. This is probably the most organized one with like a few folded jeans. I just need to go through all of that. All this jewelry, I never wear any of this. I'm not a jewelry person. I need to go through these boxes. Here's my tiny little closet. I need to go up here and throw away stuff and my shoes. How beautiful is that? That's a little bit of a before. Let's get to cleaning my room. I don't even know where to start. I'm just gonna go through all these drawers and pick what I don't need. It's so sad. I am the worst. Like, I can't say bye to these clothes. That's the hardest part for me. It's like all this stuff. I spent so much money on all this stuff and I don't wear any of it. Like, dude, I don't know. Like, I'd never touch anything in this drawer. So, like, donate it or something. Stresses me out. Time for this drawer. Oh, Jesus, this is a never-ending drawer. This is what we're working with right now. Got so much stuff in here just from my drawers. Oh my God, this is so much more like clean. Everything's gone, what the heck? Well, I still have a lot of laundry to do. We are going to tackle the closet, specifically the shoes. I have so much shoes in here that I never wear, so look at them, guys. Literally so clean. Never wear them. Love them so much. Got them for ring dance, but not gonna ever need them again. They have been worn once, which makes me sad. I need a new pair of slippers so bad. Maybe I should treat myself to new slippers. I'm gonna treat myself to some new slippers because I wear these all the time. Lacrosse is over, guys, so there's no longer a need for my stick. Don't ever use these cleats. I have like Uggs in here. I don't know, I never wear these Uggs. My Vans, these hunter boots, like hunter rain boots. I got rid of a lot of shirts and stuff from my closet. Still need to go through all of these over here, which will be really quick. This is what my closet's looking like. I took out everything and got rid of a lot of clothes. I don't really know what I'm doing. This is my entire closet. Whoa. That is my entire closet, which is pretty good compared to most people. I don't think I've ever done this since I moved here. This is crazy. Ew. I don't know what that is. I'm just gonna leave it. Alright, so we put everything back into the closet. It's looking so much neater. Oh my goodness. look how much cleaner that looks. Put new clothes on here. I was gonna do a clothing haul, what I got from shopping and stuff before spring break, and I was gonna do a spring clothing haul, but then like so much time passed and I never got around to doing it. So like, would you guys still want to see it? I don't know if like you guys would want to see it or not, but I got a ton of new clothes. This is just like a little sneak peek of what I'm doing, and I don't know if I want to put shoes down here or not. It's a big disaster, but it's slowly coming together. Now I don't know what to do. I'm stuck. Okay, I'm gonna go through this and make a pile of what I can donate and what I can try and sell or something. I don't really know. This is a lot of clothes and it's all very lightly used. I just opened up my, it's so cute. I just opened up my like jewelry holder and because I'm going through everything. This is what I see. Oh, that's so cute. What a cute picture. All these receipts. Throw that away. I don't really need this. These are all receipts. Oh, so cute. Oh my God. Me and Anna when we were in 5th grade. Our 5th grade graduation party. That's so cute. I'm gonna keep these. I am going through all of my makeup right now. This is the stuff that I just never use. I don't know what to do with it. This contour kit I asked for Christmas one year. I wanted it so bad. Don't know why. And I think I got it 2 years ago for Christmas and is literally unused. Like I think I used it once for like a swatch, which is such a freaking waste. Like I'm so mad at myself. Literally all of the stuff that I'm getting rid of and giving to Goodwill. Dusted around like all the rims and everything like that. Cleaned off this entire thing and I like sprayed it. Cleaned my mirror. Looks a lot better than what it did. It had like white dust all over it. I changed out my oil diffuser. This one actually was sent to me. It literally smells so good. I don't know. I think I used like the grapefruit oil. Pretty it is and I love it. It is now the weekend. I am gonna go through all my stuff. I don't know if I told you guys already, but my mom went to the dollar store to get like containers and stuff because she's actually, as I'm trying to fix my room and clean it, she's been cleaning the house as well as me. Her main project right now is my brother's bathroom. We're completely remodeling his bathroom and we are doing the garage. We're completely cleaning everything out and getting rid of tons of junk furniture that we've had sitting in there forever. Oh my God, why do my arms look so weird? Is it just me or do they look like really weird and long and like actually gonna have a garage sale this weekend. That's why I have all the stuff like literally over there in the corner. A ton of these little things to divide my bikinis, bralettes, socks, what else, underwear, stuff like that. I'm going to put these up. I got these acrylic cases for my bathroom and for my vanity because I have just a ton of random stuff just like chilling in there. I did get rid of stuff in here, but this is still what we're working with. This is sorted out, but we're still gonna get like buckets to put bottoms and tops in. Whoa, oh my God. I don't know why I thought like this was gonna be like actual good material, but it'll work, I guess. It's from the dollar store, so I wasn't really expecting that much. It's not bad, whatever, it'll work. Not really the pickiest person in the world. Here's the after. Okay, wait, that doesn't look anything better. I'm not gonna organize this because it's like underwear and stuff. Like I'm not gonna sit there and fold my underwear together every single time I put it back. Like it doesn't fit at all. And I only have 2 left, and there's only like 2 things, so like I don't know what else I would do. It works for me. It makes it a lot easier. This is the drawer that I literally have nothing for. Ew, that's so gross. There's nails right there. I don't have like anything to like set these in, so that's why I got these. Hopefully that'll work better. I also got one for in here because just a mess. I don't have anything to put hair ties and stuff. Ew, there's so much hair. Look how much more empty this is. This was all my camera equipment, and look at that. I'm getting rid of stuff one by one. Now time for this drawer. These 2 drawers are my favorite right now. I get to get rid of all of this junk. I get to throw it all away. Well, not throw it away, because these books are expensive. This book is like $120. I get to take them back to school because I am not gonna need them anymore. All I can say is, wow. I cannot believe I wrote this many flashcards. That's insane. So guys, if you guys want to write this mini flashcard, take AP Psychology because that's what you're gonna get. Oh my God, AP Life. I don't know what to do with this. I am going through all of my stuff and it makes me kind of sad. Cleaning and going through stuff is like going through old memories. You find things and it just reminds you. I don't know, it's just weird to me. I literally feel like I was like a 6th grader or like a freshman just a week ago. It doesn't feel like this has flown by so quickly. And I'm about to start crying. I'm not gonna cry. But going through all of my old stuff, sitting here towards the end of the year, we only have 2.5 weeks left of school. It's just weird to me because I'm ready. Oh my God, I'm really trying not to cry right now. I'm definitely ready to graduate, but it's just so weird that I'm not come back to high school. Like I'm done with high school after this. I don't know, it just makes me sad. Growing up, like the whole concept of that is like really weird and it's kind of sad to think about because I'm gonna start crying. But it's just cool to see what's coming next in your life and like, I don't know. I'm excited to see what the future has, but I'm definitely not gonna miss any of this, but it is weird to think that like I'm never gonna get these books again. Well, actually, you know what? I still have college. So stuff that I got for back to school, all these pencils and stuff, look at that. Those are brand new unused pencils and all these glue sticks are not opened. Never used these scissors. Like this ruler, I don't even know why I got it. I don't even want to show you my sink. It's so gross. But we have tons of random stuff just everywhere and that was literally just laid out in this drawer. And clean this entire bathroom because it's disgusting. Oh, just look at that trash. Ew. Okay. This is what we got for the first drawer. Looks a lot better. Oh my goodness. I like that so much better. We're gonna clean this. Look how gross this bathroom is. It's gonna be a transformation, I promised. Oh my God, I've been in here literally scrubbing. It looks a lot better. Everything is super clean and scrubbed down. I switched this out. I cleaned my mirrors, I dusted. I went through this stuff. I showed you guys that, looks a lot cleaner. I scrubbed the entire ground and I mopped and I vacuumed and everything. I cleaned the entire back of the toilet. Looks a lot better too. And I cleaned back there. So I did half the bathroom, but now I still have this half to do. I just wish I had the courage to like show you guys how dirty those windows like and everything actually is. I just don't. I don't want to do that to you guys. Just believe me when I say it's dirty. So, like next up on my list of to-dos is I do this every few months. Haven't done this in a while. I change my sheets a lot, but like down here I haven't gone back here and like cleaned the entire thing in the back and like switched out the sheets and stuff. Hi Kiki, what's up boo boo? Oh, what that cute face. But as you can see, there's like stuff under my bed. Came in. Doggo. Watch out. Watch out. I'm sorry. You get stuck under that? I wish you could see his face right now. Oh my God. You get stuck under that? You're the cutest thing ever. Look at that face, guys. Like, how could you not, like, she's just so cute. I love this dog so much. I'm pushing up my mattress and he's underneath it and decides not to move. This is really, really gross. I'm kind of grossed out. Just vacuumed underneath here, which looks so much better. These things are supposed to be on the end of this, but they never stay. I'm so embarrassed. But I'm gonna clean these boards back here because I'm currently putting my diffuser on. So easy. I'm gonna keep this on so it runs until it's empty. And I'm gonna turn on I like the blue light. Now my room's gonna smell good while I continue to vacuum the floor because there's stuff everywhere. So please ignore this huge pimple on my chin. I am pretty much done for the night. Still tons of things to get done around my room. I still have a few things that I want to do, but pretty much I've cleaned a lot and I'm really, really proud of myself. I got my bed and my sheets and everything. I redid all my clothes. I literally dug out that entire pile. I thought I didn't have a lot of stuff, and I've always been a person to not really have stuff. After cleaning out my closet and seeing like the things that I actually don't use, it's kind of insane. So this isn't like done yet. I'm just showing you guys after me cleaning. I still need to decorate and get stuff to update it before I do a room tour. We're gonna start right here. So if you walk in, okay, turn it around. My closet is decluttered. I went through these. I went up here previously in the vlog and I cleaned literally everything, all the dust. I vacuumed for the first time literally since we moved in. I fixed the shelves. I got rid of a ton of stuff in here. My dresser, you guys did see previously, it was a mess. I got rid of stuff right here. My books that I just need to turn into school. Right here in the first drawer, I definitely got better. I put in some drawers. Over here, I organized my bikinis. Organized this drawer. It's a lot more neat. Very, very clean. So this is a lot cleaner. Completely empty. Everything that was in here because there was all my textbooks for school. This drawer is empty. This drawer has my camera stuff. This drawer completely cleared out. This drawer, it looks cleaner with my hair stuff. Finally have like a little cubby for all my hair ties. Empty drawer. And my makeup I condensed because I had a ton of makeup. Got my diffuser going. This one in particular is actually from the brand Vixen. It's an ultrasonic oil diffuser. I really love it. I love oil diffusers. We have so many in my house and I absolutely am obsessed with them, and so is my mom. Go to sleep easily. It makes your room smell good. I love it. If you guys aren't aware with them, they're actually pretty popular right now. This one is beautiful. I love the hardwood, like dark brown look. I really like it, and you can obviously change the light of it. I have lavender and tea tree in it right now mixed with grapefruit. Grapefruit smells really good, and then lavender smells really good too. Lavender and tea tree are really good for like your immune system, and it makes you like fall asleep. And when this brand actually contacted me to ask if they could send me one, I was literally all about it because I love oil diffusers and they're great gifts. So if you guys want to check out, they're not sponsoring this video or anything. They were just kind enough to send me this. So thank you, Vixen, sending it to me. It wasn't that expensive either, and it's really good quality. I've used it so many times already. I'll actually leave their thing down below. You guys saw I cleaned everything. I think I definitely want to get new pillows because I've literally had these since like my 2013 videos. Definitely time for new ones. So I want to get new ones of these. And then moving on to my bathroom, I think this is like the most that I'm proud of, just because my bathroom is like, people overlook that, and it's just like honestly so gross. If you think about it, it's a bathroom. I'm super glad that I like cleaned it out. It just looks so much more like minimalistic, and I just love it. I think it's so much cleaner and warmer. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was really fun for me to film, and it's definitely a project that I've been needing to do, so making a video out of it was so much fun. But I just wanted to film this with you guys to show you that I am not perfect in any way, and my life is a mess. If you guys want, you can check me out on all my social medias. My Instagram's always linked down below. That's probably the one I'm most active on with you guys. And you guys can subscribe to this channel if you guys want to. I would love it if you guys would be a part of the fam. If you guys know what to do, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye guys!